Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play 10,000 Hours by Dan Shay and Justin Bieber. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, A minor, and B flat major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for the song is B flat major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for the song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is for the verses, the choruses, and the outro. And the second section is going to be for the bridge. So the first section, which again is for the verses, the choruses, and the outro, is going to be F major for 3 beats, A minor for 5 beats, B flat major for 3 beats, and back to F major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's add the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the second section, which again is for the bridge, is going to be A minor for 8 beats, B flat major for 8 beats, A minor again for 8 beats, and B flat major again for 16 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And now let's add the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through 10,000 hours. Oh, want the good and the bad, everything in between. Oh, gotta cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. And I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. And at the end of the song, you're just gonna downstrum and ring out on the last F major chord of the chord progression. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for 10,000 Hours. And that's how you play 10,000 Hours by Dan Shay and Justin Bieber. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out the rest of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.